Hello, very good morning, students. In the previous classes, we have started about the nomenclatures of carbonic compounds. In that classes, we have discussed about the naming of the aliphatic and the chain compounds. Today, we are discussing about the cyclic compounds. So, what is the cyclic compounds? Whenever the carbon atoms form a ring, all right. So, form a ring like this, all right. इसमें हमारा कार्बन क्या करेगा? एक रिंग का फॉर्मेशन करेगा, then it will be form a cyclic compound. All right. So today we are discussing about the cyclic compounds. In cyclic compounds, carbon forms like this structure. This is 6 carbon, 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 carbon. Here is 5 carbon structure, the carbon, 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 carbon. Here is 4 carbon, carbon, and here is 3 carbons. Alright, so whenever the carbon compounds form a cyclic compound, form a cyclic ring, and it's called the cyclic compounds. For the naming of this compound, we use the cyclo naming as a prefix. Alright, so we use here the prefix as a cyclo in these examples. We consider the first, second, and third, and the fourth one. We taking the example of first one. So there is 6 carbon. Alright, so for this 6 carbon, there is number of carbon is 6. Number of carbon is 6. Then for 6 carbon we use the hex. Alright, already all the carbons is satisfied by the single covalent bond. So we will use here the ane. Alright, and here is cyclic ring. That's why we use here cyclo as a prefix. So cyclohexane will be the name of the first compound. Alright, if we're talking about the second example, in second example there is 5 carbon. So there is number of 5 carbon. For the 5 carbon we use as a name of paint. All this carbon balance is satisfied by the single bond. Alright, so single bond satisfied. Then we use here is ane, but here is a ring compound. Then it is used as a cyclo as a prefix. Their name is a cyclo pentane. Alright. In the example for the third example, there is number of carbon is 4. For the 4 number of carbon we use here as a bute. All the carbon is satisfied by the single bond. Then we use ane. Alright. Then we use as a ane. Alright. So here is cyclic compound. So here used as a cyclo butane. In the fourth example, there is 3 carbons. For the 3 carbon we use here pro. All the carbon is satisfied by the single bond. Then we use here ane. And this is cyclic compound. So we use cyclo as a prefix. So the naming will be of the cyclopropane. Alright. So this is the naming for the cyclic compound. Now we are discussing about the functional group. How we give the name of the functional group. How much functional groups in our 10th class. So there is 5 functional groups. The first one is aldehyde group. Aldehyde group. For the aldehyde, there is CHO group is present. CHO, for the naming of CHO, we use as a suffix for AL. The second one is the alcohol group. For the alcohol, there is use of OH bond. For the naming of acid, here we use as a suffix. Here is used as the L. Here is used as the ol. For the ketone group, we use the group is C double bond O, and we use for on. For the carboxylic group, This group is COOH. This is the carboxylic group. For the carboxylic group, we use as a suffix as oic acid. The fifth one is for the halogen group. Halogen group in which the Cl group Bri is present in the aliphatic ring, then it's called the halo compounds. If there is present as chlorine, then its naming will be chloro. Bromine is present, that its given name is bromo. If iodine is present, then its name will be iodo. Alright, so these are the functional group which will be present on the carbon form. If they are presented aldehyde, like this example, if we use as CH3CHO. Alright, so CHO is the aldehydic group and present on CH3. So first of all, we consider calculate the total number of carbons. So there is 2 carbons, 1 and 2. Alright, for the 2 carbon we use S, and for the single bond we will use ethane, and for the aldehydic group is present, so we will use as a L. The name of this compound CH3CHO will be ethanol. The second example we consider is CH3, CH2, CHO. So there will be 3 carbons. For the 3 carbons we use प्रो, सारे सिंगल बॉन्डेड में है तो प्रोपेन, और लास्ट का जो प्रोपेन का ई होता है, जैसे एन बॉन्ड है, एन लिखा हुआ है तो उसका ई हटा के उसमें हम एल जोड़ देंगे फॉर दी एल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप के लिए. तो नेम विल बी प्रोपेनल. ऑलराइट, इफ देयर इज प्रेजेंट ऑफ एल्कोहल ग्रुप, if there is present an alcohol group, then if we consider as CH3OH, here is OH group as a alcohol group. For the alcohol group we use all, and there is carbon of 1 carbon phase meth. All the valence is satisfied by the single bond, then its name is methane. And there is present of OH or alcohol group, then it will consider as OL, then its name will be methanol. Alright, if it's second example we consider that CH3CH2OH. Total number of carbon is there 2 carbon. For the 2 carbon we use here S. All the valence is satisfied with the single bond. Then ethane, E hata ke. If there is present of OH group, so though we use here OL. The name of this compound will be ethanol. If we're talking about like this example, so C2H5OH, there is 2 carbons. For the 2 carbon we use here S. Alright, all the valence satisfied by N single bond, और उसके बाद alcoholic group होने की वजह से इसको हम यूज करेंगे all की फॉर्म में. If the present a ketones group, उसके अंदर हमारा ketone group present है, for the ketones group we use here on as a suffix form. So example is CH3 C double bond O CH3. There is 3 carbon, 1, 2 and 3. For 3 carbon we use here pro. All this valence is satisfied the one single bond of propane. Here is second group पे जो हमारा है, it is present of ketone group, then we will use as suffix on. The name of this compound will be propanol. If the present is carboxylic group, तो carboxylic group के लिए conditions है, there is present of COOH group. So alright, so we have used CH3COOH. There is 1 and 2 carbon is present. For the 2 carbon use S. Alright, S सारी बॉन्डिंग इज सेटिस्फाइड बाय द सिंगल बॉन्ड, तो एथेन वाला हो जाएगा. ई हटा के उसकी जगह हम यूज करेंगे ओइक एसिड. ऑलराइट, so the name of this compound will be ethanoic acid. If we're talking about CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH, so here is 4 carbon, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, for the 4 carbon we use here bute. All the valence is satisfied by the N, and the last compound which is carboxylic compound, here we use as a carboxylic oic acid. Then we give the suffix as the oic acid. The name of this compound will be butanoic acid. If we present a halogen group, alright, so for the halogen group, if present is CH3Cl, here Cl is a halogen group, so we use as a prefix halo compounds. So chlorine is present, then we use as a chloro. If bromine is present, we use as bromo. If iodine is present, then we use here iodine. There is chlorine is used, so the naming of the compound will be chloro. Here is methane, so its name is chloromethane. Alright, if we're talking about the CH3CH2Cl, here is halogen group, the naming of the compound chloro. Here, there's 2 carbons we use here, eth. Or this compound is satisfied by a single bond, then we are here used as a ane. The name of this compound will be chloroethane. So these are the naming of the 5 functional